What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. My name is Joop from the Clips, aka Macaroni with the Cheese. Every day I make videos about cryptos and stocks, and today I got a brand new video for you guys. Man, let's see what's going on. We got Elon Musk made a deal with India. He's basically planning to build some factories there and to expand his brand, the Tesla. And I made a video about health, the health sectors. 4 sectors is basically outperforming the S&P 500, technology, community services, for consumer cycle, and healthcare. Check those out on my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's talk about what we're gonna do today. Today we're gonna talk about the S&P 500, the SPY, gold, the Fear and Greed Index. We got Palantir with the whole AI. And I'm going to talk about bonds and what's going to happen next week, what we got ahead of us. So let's see what the current prices are at this moment. So the S&P, the SPY, the spider is at 455 after a good month. November is overly a good month, so it basically did well. Let me put it on a monthly. So as you can see, it pretty much did well. It had a green month. After 1, 2, 3 months in the red, November was good in green. So that's basically the good numbers. And so let's see what we're gonna do. Maybe we could get to a new all-time high around 478 for the SPY. So it's basically we have to patiently wait what the market's gonna do. But I've already been telling you guys that I do think we could see an NGS rally, and maybe we could knock out those high numbers around 478. So yeah, the SP 500s. Let's go see what the SPY did. So the SPY is at 4,559, and yeah, green numbers. So that's basically what we want. And we need to make sure what we're gonna do for the next few weeks. But we had some major numbers. You could always almost say that it was a rally, because for the Fear and Greed we at 68. We're in greed after a few months of being in extreme fear and fear. So y'all know the vibes when people are basically being too happy. That's the moment to sell. So we have to be cautious of what we're gonna do. So what did Palantir did? Palantir is also making a good run with the whole AI, and currently the price at $19.20 per share. And as you can see, it couldn't hold up $20. But I do think it has some more leverage to go for the coming period. So I'm planning to buy some more, but I would like, if it can't come down much further, I would buy me some shares, some Palantir shares, with the whole AI around Palantir. So they're basically working with CIA and the government. So I do think this could be a good company who's basically doing good numbers. So we have to make sure what they are basically going to do. Well, this video I want to talk about bonds. I had a conversation with a few guys on Twitter about bonds, and we basically was telling ourselves like, yo, interest rates are not going to be higher much further. The Federal Reserve is not planning to go higher. And yeah, the Fed is not increasing interest rate at 5.5. And for the current price at 96%, that's 25 euro per bond. There's be some good momentum for the share to go more up. And plus, they pay a quarterly dividend of 6.5%. So with the current price of these bonds, I do think there should be a lot of potential to go up. So that's the basically main reason why I'm planning to buy more of these bonds, and already did bought me some. And inflation is coming down. You know, Fed been fighting inflation for almost a few months right now, and they're preferably want that the inflation is around 2%. So we also have seen that the 10-year yield is coming down, and the 10-year yield is basically working in the opposite of the interest rate. So when the 10-year yield is coming down, that means the bonds are going up. So that was basically the main reason why I'm very interested in the certificate of the Rabobank, the Rabobank, Bank of Netherlands. So last traded 96.91, a lot of transactions. So let's see what it's been doing lately. It had an all-time high around 140. So with the current price, that's almost, let me see, that's almost how many percent it is percentage wise. That's around $50, around 52%. So that's a no-brainer to me. So that's the main reason why I'm very invested in this. And if I'm selling them, I've just earned my dividend on those bonds just to having them. So why playing it risky in the stock market won't be very smart to do. It is a strategic to choose, but it's not something that I'm planning to do because I have to balance my portfolio. So that was the main reason. I also thought, man, maybe it should be a good idea to invest in those bonds. And yeah, so as you can see, so it's paying me a dividend of 6.5%, as you can see, 6.5 quarterly. So that means on every bond I'm getting 6.5%. It's getting paid. It's a bond. It's of the market of Euronext Amsterdam. So it's pretty much a no-brainer to me. And that's the video that I want to share with you guys. Keep in mind the market is overall sentiment is green. And yeah. So my next subjects for, let me see what the next week got ahead of us. On Tuesday, we got federal governor's gonna say something, consumer confidence. And on Thursday, core PCE could be something important. So if these jobless claims are under 250, there's basically not pretty much nothing serious happening. If they're going above 250, that could be something to be aware of. So on Friday, Jerome Powell's gonna talk, the 1st of December. So yeah, we're gonna see what those talks gonna have in front of us. So basically, it's a pretty short video. It's nothing too serious, but I'm pretty much invested in this bonds, the Rabo certificate. And yeah, the main reason is because the inflation is coming down and the Fed is not planning to raise interest rates. We currently at the level at 5.5, and I do think in the next few years and months we could see those bonds going up because the interest rates is going down. And yeah, that's basically the video that I want to share with you guys. It's not a long video, but a quick one. We could also see what those other shares are doing. I have seen that Coinbase been going up significantly, currently at the price of $150 per share. So it's pretty much interesting. And don't forget Baba. Baba is not doing it well. It's almost around October 22 lows. That could be the same as IPO numbers. Yeah, IPO around 55, so it's very cheap, guys. And Baba did very good numbers, so keep that in mind. I also still have my BAX play, so yeah. And I'm not touching Microsoft, and Tesla's around 235, so we could see some lower levels, but we have to keep impatient and wait what's really gonna happen. So with that being said, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.